If you think watching YouTube videos is going to help you launch a successful Amazon business, stop right there. Having helped hundreds of business owners find quality products and launch these on sites like Amazon, I know what it takes to launch a successful business on Amazon, and so will you when you join my live webinar. Now around this video there's a little link, give that link a click and join me on this live presentation where I'm going to go through a couple of things. I'm going to go through how to find hot quality products, so how to find trending products that people are actually typing in to sites like Amazon right now. I'm going to show you how to find quality suppliers, so how to use sites like Alibaba and a few other websites where you can find reputable suppliers. I'm also going to show you how to launch these on Amazon USA, as well as Amazon Australia, and perhaps even Amazon UK as well, if that's something you guys want to do. Now guys, don't forget, around this video there's a little link, give that link a click. Now I've been doing this now for roughly 10 years. I've been doing import-export, helping clients find reputable products, right? Find quality supplies and launch these on Amazon. And the biggest struggle that people have is the product. They don't know what product is hot. They have no idea what people are typing in, what is trending right now, what do people actually want to buy, right? So that's the biggest hang up that people have, is they don't know what is the hot product. So in this training, guys, I'm going to go through the entire process from A to Z, step by step, showing you how to identify those hot products, right? How to find out whether or not they're actually turning over sales, and what to look for, how many reviews to look for, you know, the size, weight restrictions, all that sort of stuff we're going to cover on this training. So don't forget to join me around this link, give the link a click and join me. Now, a little bit of history about me, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this now for 10 years. I've been running events in Australia and New Zealand, teaching people how to find products and launch them on sites like Amazon. So make sure you are at this event. We have a massive support community helping people just like you launch a successful business on Amazon. It really is the website in terms of growth, right? It has grown massively, 1,500% in the last 24 months alone, all right? Amazon is literally taking over, right? So you need to be on Amazon. So guys, join me at the live event. I'd love to see you there. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now. See you later.